Hello everyone, I'm Shikha Sundrial, founder and lifestyle coach at Sthir Wellness. We all know that every single muscle in our body is uniquely important in keeping us fit, balanced and mobile. And today we're going to learn 3 very simple stretches to build strength and flexibility in our calf muscles. So let's begin. First, heel raises. Keep your feet about a foot apart, parallel to each other. Inhaling, raise your heels. Exhaling, heels halfway to the ground. Don't touch the ground with your heels. Keep your heels in the air throughout the stretch. Inhale, heels up. Exhale, heels down. Make sure that you have a straight posture. Your knees should be straight and pulled up. Your back, shoulders and neck should be relaxed but straight. You can repeat this stretch as many times as you feel like. Next is chair pose or Kukutasana. Standing straight and firm, place your feet as wide as your shoulders width. Now inhaling, stretch your arms forward. Exhaling, bend your knees and bring them right above the toes. Ensure that your back is absolutely straight, your shoulders and neck are relaxed. Stay here for as long as it feels comfortable. Then slowly inhaling, stand up straight. Repeat for few times. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, bend your knees and bring them right above the toes. Inhale, come up again. As you bend down, make sure that your knees do not go ahead of your toes. Keep your knees right above the toes. You can also place your palms on your chest in Namaskar Mudra. Inhale deep once, exhaling, bend your knees and bring them right above the toes. Make sure your back is straight and firm. Avoid any kind of sudden movement or sharp jerk. Be very gentle and mindful when practicing yoga. It is also a great knee strengthening posture. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't lean forward too much. Don't push your knees too far off or bend your knees too low. Keep them at a comfortable level. Avoid arching your back and sticking your tailbone out like that. Practice it once in front of the mirror to make sure you're doing it correctly. Next, lie down for a full leg stretch. Keeping your legs straight and together, fold your right leg. Pull your knee to the chest, hold the right toes with both the hands and try to make your legs straight. Make sure your back is flat on the ground. Repeat from the left leg. Fold your left knee to the chest. Hold the toes with both the hands, inhaling, stretch to make your legs straight. To make this stretch a little easy, let's practice it with one hand. Fold your right leg. Hold the right toes with just the right hand, keeping your left leg straight on the ground. Open your left arm on the side at the shoulder level. Inhaling, stretch your leg up as far as it's comfortable. You can keep your knee folded initially. If you feel comfortable enough, you can stretch your leg up further and make it straight. Repeat from the left side. Fold the left knee to the chest. Hold the toes with your left hand. Open your right arm. Inhaling, stretch your leg up as far as it's comfortable, keeping your knee bent. The other leg should not be folded or distorted in any way. Keep it straight and firm on the ground. Slowly make your left leg straight as much as possible. Hold for few breaths, then slowly bring the leg down. You can repeat this exercise 2 to 3 times from each side. The rest of the body should be firmly pressed on the ground and there should be no discomfort or pain in any part of your body. Do not push yourself beyond your capacity. Make sure that you don't hold your breath at any point. You can also practice it using both the legs. Fold your legs, bring both the knees to your chest. Now hold your toes from outside or from inside between your knees. Inhaling, very slowly stretch your legs up, keeping your knees slightly bent initially. Once you feel comfortable, you can stretch your legs up straight and make your knees straight. Stay here for a few breaths, then very gently come back on the ground. After any intense exercise, it is advised to spend a few minutes in a relaxing pose like Shavasana so that all the tiredness is released from your body and you can feel energized afterwards. Hello! कैसे हैं आप? Well, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Now don't forget to press that like, subscribe and bell button. Now, if you like the kind of work that I've been doing and if you wish to become an official member of my Sthir family, then you can choose to support me by becoming a patron on patreon.com/sthirwellness. You can commit to contribute starting from as little as $1 a month. In return of which, besides of the great satisfaction of helping me achieve my dream of empowering people, you will also be receiving some really cool personalized benefits. All of which I've explained on my Patreon page. Don't forget to check it out and see if it excites you. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. I will be seeing you very, very soon. Take care of yourself and don't forget to smile. Thank you. Bye.